Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Liquify command lets you interactively distort an image, layer, or selection to give the appearance of liquefying the image. First, select the object to which you want to apply the effect, and then select Filter, Distort, Liquify from the menu bar. This then launches the Liquify window where you can make distortions to the selected content. At the right side of the Liquify dialog box, set the size of the brush to use as well as the brush pressure. To use stylus pressure from a tablet, check the stylus pressure checkbox. To select a distortion to apply, click the button for the distortion tool to use, shown at the left side of the Liquify dialog box. The warp tool pushes pixels forward as you drag. The Twirl Clockwise tool spins pixels you click and drag over in a clockwise direction. The Twirl Counterclockwise tool spins pixels in the opposite direction. The Pucker tool pulls the sides of the brush stroke inward towards the center of the brush stroke. The Bloat tool pushes pixels from the center of a brush towards the outer edge of the brush. The Shift Pixels tool moves pixels in a perpendicular direction from the direction that you drag the brush stroke. For example, if you drag the brush down, the pixels will be pulled from left to right as you drag downward. As you drag upward, the pixels will be pulled from right to left. You can also hold down the Alt key while dragging to reverse the direction from which the pixels are pulled. The Reconstruct tool reconstructs areas of the image you have distorted. Note that after you click OK to accept image distortions, you cannot use this tool at a later time to reconstruct previously made distortions. After selecting a distortion tool, click and drag or simply click and hold down the mouse button to apply the selected distortion. If you click the Revert button at the right side of the Liquify window, all of the changes you made in the current session are reversed and the object is restored to its initial appearance. After making any changes you want to keep, click the OK button to apply the liquefaction to the selected object. Clicking the Cancel button cancels any changes you have made.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.